Hello there, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel Englishstudio. Learn to speak. మనందరికీ తెలుసు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ 26 లెటర్స్ అని. అందులో ఏ, ఈ, ఐ, ఓ, యూని వోవెల్స్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ మిగతా ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటన్నిటిని కాన్సోనెంట్స్ అంటాం. ఇక్కడ మీకు స్క్రీన్ మీద కనపడుతుంది కదా, ఇవన్నిటినీ కూడా కాన్సోనెంట్ సౌండ్స్ అంటాం. చాలా మట్టుకు అందరము బీ సేస్ బ, పీ సేస్ ప, ఆర్ సేస్ రా అని మిస్ప్రనౌన్సియేషన్ చేస్తాం, కానీ అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద కాన్సోనెంట్స్ అండ్ దేర్ సౌండ్స్ టుడే ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో. బీ సేస్ బ, b, b, as in butterfly. C says k, 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 as in cat. D says d, 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 as in dog. F says as in fountain. G says g, 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 as in girl. H says h, 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 as in house. J says j, 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 as in jump. K says k, 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 as in kitten. L says l, 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 as in lion. M says mm, 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 as in monkey. N says n, 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 as in nine. P says p, 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 as in parrot. Q says qu, 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 as in queen. R says r, 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 as in roof. S says s, 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 as in sun. T says t, 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 as in two. V says v, 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 as in wine. W says w, 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 as in watermelon. X says x, 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 as in X-ray fish. Y says y, 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 as in yoga. Z says z, 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 as in zero. So these are all the consonant sounds. Now let us see digraphs. When two letters combine, they make one new sound. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే టూ కాన్సోనెంట్ లెటర్స్ కంబైన్ చేస్తామో అప్పుడు న్యూ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. Let us see few examples like CH says ch, 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 as in peach, chair, cheese, teach, chop and lunch, And the next one is SH. SH says sh, 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 as in she, sheep, ship, wish, fish, and dish. And the next is TH. TH says th, as in three, thin, clothes, mats, panther, and bird. And the next letters are, when you combine them, WH says w, w, as in wheel, whirlpool, whistle, and wheat. Next is NG. When you combine them, you say ng, 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 as in long, bang, string, sing, strong, and ring. And the next letters are ZH says zh, zh, as in measure, casual, pleasure. So these are consonants and digraphs. Hope you all have understood. In the previous videos, there are all the alphabets, short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds, diphthongs, and in this video we saw consonant sounds and digraphs. So viewers, please don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Thank you so much.